Story of Guru Nanak and the True Bargain, Sacha Sauda. In the small village of Talwandi, there lived a boy named Nanak, known for his calm nature and deep thought. Even as a child, he often questioned the meaning of life and how one could truly serve God. One day, Nanak's father decided to teach him about business. He handed Nanak a bag full of coins. "Go, my son, and make a good bargain, a true profit. Learn the ways of trade." Nanak nodded gently, accepting the money with respect. Nanak set out on his journey with his friend Bhai Bala. As they walked through the fields and dusty roads, Bala wondered what kind of business they would do. But Nanak's eyes searched not for profit, they searched for purpose. Along the road, the two friends came across a group of saints and poor travelers resting under a tree. They looked weak and hungry, having eaten nothing for days. Nanak felt a deep compassion rise within him. Without hesitation, Nanak turned to Bala and said, "Here lies the true bargain, Bala." He used the coins to buy food and water and served the saints with love and care. Their faces brightened, and peace filled the air. A silent blessing spread through the place. Bhai Bala watched in awe. He had expected Nanak to buy goods and make money, but instead, he saw his friend invest in something far more precious, kindness and humanity. Later, Nanak and Bala returned to the village. Nanak's face glowed with peace, but Bala worried about how Nanak's father would react. When they reached home, Nanak's father was furious. "What have you done, Nanak? You've wasted my money. How is this a good bargain?" The room was filled with tension. Yet Nanak remained calm, his voice gentle and full of conviction. Nanak replied, "Father, what could be a truer bargain than feeding the hungry and serving the needy? This is Sacha Sauda, the true bargain, the trade that pleases God." Everyone in the room fell silent, realizing the depth of his wisdom. Years later, people would remember this act as Guru Nanak's first teaching, that the greatest profit in life is not in gold or goods, but in compassion, service, and truth. He alone makes the true bargain, Guru Nanak said, who serves humanity and shares what he has with others.